Replacing or installing new windows is one of the most valuable home improvement projects for Baytown homeowners. Proper installation not only enhances your home's energy efficiency but also improves its appearance and comfort. However, even the best quality windows can fail to deliver results if they're installed incorrectly. Many homeowners in Baytown make common mistakes that can lead to drafts, leaks, or costly repairs down the line. Here are some of the most frequent window installation errors and how to avoid them. Ignoring proper measurements. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is failing to take accurate measurements before purchasing new windows. Even a small error in width or height can result in poor sealing, uneven framing, or windows that simply don't fit. In Baytown, where humidity and temperature fluctuations are common, improper measurements can lead to warping and air leaks. Tip: always measure the opening at least 3 times, top, middle, and bottom, for both width and height. If you're not confident in your measurements, consider hiring a professional installer to ensure precision. Skipping the weatherproofing step. Baytown's humid climate and occasional heavy rains make weatherproofing a critical part of window installation. Neglecting flashing tape, sealants, or moisture barriers can cause water infiltration, which leads to mold, rot, and structural damage. Tip: use high-quality, weather-resistant flashing and caulking designed for Texas climates. Ensure all gaps between the window frame and wall are sealed completely before applying trim or paint. Choosing the wrong window type for the climate. Not all windows are suited for Baytown's coastal weather conditions. Homeowners sometimes choose windows based solely on price or style, without considering performance factors like insulation, UV protection, and resistance to moisture. Tip: look for energy-efficient windows with low E-glass and insulated frames. Vinyl and fiberglass options are excellent choices for humid environments, as they resist warping and require minimal maintenance. Improper leveling and alignment. A window that isn't perfectly level or square can cause operational problems such as sticking, jamming, or uneven wear. Over time, this can also compromise your window's seal, reducing energy efficiency and letting in outside air. Tip: use a level during every stage of installation, from setting the window frame to securing the sash. A properly aligned window will open and close smoothly and provide consistent insulation. Overlooking insulation around the frame. Insufficient or uneven insulation around the window frame is a common but costly mistake. Without proper insulation, even the most advanced energy-efficient windows will fail to keep your home comfortable. Tip: use expanding foam insulation or backer rods specifically designed for windows and doors. Avoid overfilling the cavity, as too much foam can warp the frame or make it difficult to close the window properly. Using the wrong fasteners or materials. Many DIY installers use nails, screws, or sealants that aren't designed for window installation. This can cause gaps, weak frames, or even water penetration. Baytown's humid air can also accelerate corrosion in inferior materials. Tip: always use manufacturer-recommended fasteners and sealants. Stainless steel or coated screws are best for resisting rust in humid environments. Failing to test the window after installation. Once the window is installed, many homeowners neglect to check for air leaks or operational issues. This mistake can lead to unnoticed problems that worsen over time. Tip: before finishing the trim or painting, open and close the window several times to ensure smooth movement. Conduct an air leak test using an incense stick or smoke pen around the edges. If the smoke moves, there's a draft that needs sealing. Final thoughts for Baytown homeowners: professional installation is often the best way to ensure long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Even if you're an experienced DIY enthusiast, a small oversight can result in costly repairs later. Avoiding these common window installation mistakes not only protects your investment but also helps maintain your home's comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal for years to come. Whether you're upgrading for better energy savings or improving your home's look, Taking the time to install your windows correctly, or hiring trusted professionals, will make all the difference.